Hey guys, what's up? This is Sandeep Kaur here. Welcome to the video. So today we are going to cook soya chunk sticks. जो इंग्रेडिएंट हम इसमें यूज करेंगे वो हमारे घर में इजीली अवेलेबल होते हैं. So let's see how to cook. So guys, let us discuss the ingredient first. Here we take soya chunks, Szechuan sauce, tomato ketchup, salt, black pepper, vinegar, honey, chopped garlic and green chilies, cube chopped onion, cube chopped capsicum and corn flour. Now for our first marination we will take salt, black pepper and Szechuan sauce and mix it well. After mixing, we will keep it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes so that it can absorb its marination. After 10 or 15 minutes, we will do our second marination with capsicum, onion and corn flour. We have to coat all the soya chunks properly with corn flour. Now mix it well. Now we have to make sticks using these soya chunks. For this, we will take toothpick and add series wise capsicum, soya chunk, onion, soya chunk and capsicum, and we will make all these sticks like this. Now we will take some oil in a pan and put all soya sticks in it and fry it properly until it gets golden brown. For making sauce, we will again take a pan and put some oil in it. Put green chilies and garlic in the oil. Add Szechuan sauce. Put some water in it and mix it well. Add some salt in it and some black pepper. Vinegar also. And 1 or 2 spoons of tomato ketchup. Also add honey in it. Mix it properly for 2 or 3 minutes. Our sauce is ready. Now we will add all the soya sticks in it and toss it well. toss until all the soya sticks get mixed with the sauce. Now it is ready to serve.